Hello everyone, Robert Randolph here. I'm the Executive Director of the Robert W. Plaster Center for Advanced Manufacturing. We're here on site to give you a quick update on construction progress, as well as see some of the really great features that this center will offer. Behind me you get to see the key feature that makes this facility and center different than other higher education facilities. It's a high bay manufacturing space designed to replicate both the look, feel, as well as function of a real factory floor. We're going to have both training programs for our manufacturing education degrees inside this space, as well as business partners leasing manufacturing space on the east end of the bay. Let's go take a look around. We're here just inside the main entrance to the Plaster Manufacturing Center, and we've got some great features as soon as you enter the front door. Behind me to my left is our large assembly stair feature. This space is going to serve two purposes for the college. The primary function of this space is for student seating between classes. We want to be able to provide students a place to be in downtime between classes, but also we want to bring in a lot of tours, and we want to show off this facility in our training programs. This assembly stair will be the first stop for those tour groups. And then immediately atop the stairs, we've got a really exciting space called the Emerson Innovation Discovery Lab. Now this lab is a really great interactive hands-on space being designed for 4th through 10th graders to really enhance their experience on the tour and provide a really fun learning experience as well. And then immediately to my right is another space that I'm particularly excited about, and it's our large event space. This space will allow us to host lunch events and career fairs right here on site where our training programs are happening. We've got a lot of great features that are built into this facility, and we're excited to show them off and getting ready for it to open. We're up here on the second floor of the Plaster Manufacturing Center, where we get to see several of our classrooms and labs for our manufacturing training and workforce education programs. We've got 8 classrooms and 12 labs, and we've got several that are set aside for specifics and then others that are here just to support capacity for growth in the future. Our programs include drafting and design, networking, cybersecurity, automation, mechatronics, manufacturing, and precision machining technology. In addition, we'll include the Center for Workforce Development, as we know that workforce is a key component to our promise for the community in this center. We're just a few months from opening, and we can't wait to see you here.